Hi, my name is Daniel Morley and I'll be speaking at the International Marxist University this summer on the question of the Marxist theory of knowledge. That is to say, whether or not we can know anything. As Marxists, of course, we are fighting to change the world fundamentally, to change human society. But to do that, we need to understand the world, we need to understand capitalism, we need to be able to understand the class struggle. There are many people, particularly in academia, who tell us that we cannot know anything, or we cannot be certain of our knowledge of the world at all. Because those who want to and need to change society cannot afford that kind of luxury. They need a theory that does explain the world. So join me this summer at the International Marxist University alongside thousands of other Marxists to discuss this question. Look forward to seeing you there.